Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be reviewing some color eye sticks. I apologize for the lighting. The sun's kind of coming in, so it's kind of throwing the lighting a little off. But my face is primarily done except for my eyes because we're just focusing on this one product right here. This is Luxaza color sticks. Now, I have not heard of this brand before, so I'm anxious to try it out. This is available on Amazon, and of course I will have the link down below for you and pinned down in the comments. If you see my lovely mark here, that is because I was cooking and I burnt my arm on the oven, so good job me. So anyways, battle scars aside, this is the product we are working with, color stick from Luxaza, and let's open it and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is how it's packaged. It's really nice. If I remember right, I think it was about $20 for all 6 of them, which is a really good deal. So let's go ahead and look at the colors. I'm going to swatch them and I'll be right back. Okay, so these are the colors swatched. There is a really light one right here I do like. I think these are super pretty. I really like cream colors for on the go, or if I'm trying to do a simple look. See how they blend? They seem like they're going to blend really nicely. So let's go ahead and start with trying them on the lids. So the first one I'm going to try out is Cowhide Shimmer in 140. Now these do have, if I can pop it off, a brush at each end, so we will try to give that a try too. So let's start off with this color here. Now it does twist. That is how you get it up. Now let's go ahead and put it on my eyes. Now I did take and put it like close to my lash line because I don't plan on wearing any eyeliner today. Like I said, I'm just kind of keeping this a simple to go thing. So I think I want to go a little darker right in here. Okay, so I know you notice I didn't blend it out when I went back in. That's because I want to put this other color next to it. This is 139 Biscuit Shimmer, and see how well it blends, because I'm noticing that as it dries, it's not moving as much. So I want to see if it'll still blend. Okay, so I think it blended really nicely. I think we're going to go in with another color now. I think I'm going to use the white shimmer. Yeah, this white shimmer, what is this called? This is Gardenia Shimmer in 19. That's what we're going in. I'm going to use this under the eyes and in the corners. try one more color because I do actually really like how this is turning out, but I think I just want a little bit more dimension. So this is Champagne Shimmer in 138. Okay, so I think that's gonna do it. I think that looks alright. And let's go ahead and put some mascara on, and then we'll talk about the product. Okay, so I do think this is a lovely product. My thing is with my eyes and my hooded eyes, cream eyeshadow doesn't always do well. In fact, most of the time it doesn't, and it tends to crease. Now, I can't really tell you how this is going to do all day. I don't know. But if you look close up, yeah, if you look close up, there is a little bit of creasing, but it's like, it's not bad. This product is a little bit sticky and dewy to go on, which is not a bad thing. You just kind of have to work with it and blend with it. But I would say don't wait too long to blend it, because the longer you wait, it gets a little bit harder to move. But again, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad thing. It's just learning how to work with the product to make it do what you want it to. So for me, I would say definitely work fast with it. This is not something you let sit there and slowly take your time. It does look really good. I think it's really pretty. I think this is really good for on the go, traveling. Maybe you just want a little color and you're laying out by the beach, whatever. I think this is nice and I would recommend it. Anyways, that is the end of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts down below on this product, and if you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.